Hello students and Merry Christmas. I would like to share with you something that's coming soon to you in the mail. All right, these are mystery pictures and there are several of them, several pages of directions. Each page of directions makes a different mystery picture. I'm going to go ahead and use mystery picture number 8 to show you how this works. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole thing because I don't have time for that. And you probably don't want to watch me do the whole thing. You want to do it yourself. So here we go. I am using one of my grids, okay, and I'm following these directions. So the color red, I know R stands for red because it tells me over here. It's kind of giving me a map key, if you will, a color key. So R equals red, G equals green. So here I'm using red and green. And then as I color each square, I'm crossing it off just to tell myself I already did that, okay? So for example, D10. So I find D and I find 10 and then I find where it intersects. There it is, so I color it red, okay? And I'm crossing it off as I go. Something I'd like to point out is that then you might get to squares like this that are a little bit tricky. So W stands for white, BR stands for brown. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my marker here. You could use markers, colored pencils, crayons, whatever you have on hand. So here's what that looks like. It says F8. So I'm going to find F8. Okay, it'll be this one. And here's what it needs to look like. It needs to have half be white and half be brown. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that. So I'm coloring that half in brown that it said to be brown. Sorry, on the camera, it's kind of hard to tell. And then I'm going to cross that off saying I did it. Now I'm on to others that are brown. So G3. So I find G, I find 3. And I will color that one on in. All right, come back over, cross it off, etc. So you keep going, going, going. Notice there's some tricky ones, okay? So it's really like following directions, and as you go, you will find what is this mystery picture. Along the way, you might be making guesses. For example, right now so far it has red and green, so I think it might be something Christmassy. I might think a Christmas tree, but the green is out here instead of in the middle, so I don't know. All right, so again, Merry Christmas. This is Mystery Picture, and this will be coming to you in the mail soon. Until next time. Oops. Hi, just a second.